So I just used my YouTube analytics to estimate this channel's revenue, and using that estimate, this channel is earning over $1,100 per month from their fun, simple little videos, which I think is pretty cool.
So how is this channel making $1,100 per month? And what type of videos are they posting?
Today we're going to be talking about a new method to make money online that just launched this week. And that is earning money from ads from YouTube Shorts videos.
Yep, so she's right. YouTube Shorts are now monetizable and you can actually make money from the ads given on the videos.
Yes, as of February 1st, YouTube has launched their ad partnership program for their mobile videos, YouTube Shorts, which you'll see by scrolling through your YouTube Shorts feed.
Obviously, YouTube is trying to compete with TikTok here, and YouTube will be the first platform that actually pays for ads on the videos.
When YouTube gets paid the money from the advertisers, they are now splitting this money with creators. And the really cool thing is that super simple videos on YouTube Shorts can get millions of views.
She's right again. YouTube Shorts is very popular at the moment and you can get millions of views, but you have to be realistic and the start will not always be easy. So realistically, you won't get that many views unless you are making a lot of good content.
Like take this YouTube channel that specializes in YouTube Shorts. They make fun fact list videos.
So the fun fact list videos are very popular at the moment and you can get tons of views just because they have a broad subject, but that doesn't mean that you should opt for this subject.
They created this by just downloading free videos online and then re-uploading them as this montage.
As you can see, it's very easy to do, so a lot of people will be trying it. So I'd suggest you trying another subject just because you will get so much more views.
And here's the thing, right? This channel is really new. Social Blade shows us that they only started uploading videos 4 months ago in September. And by the end of October, they'd grown to over 15,000 subscribers.
Again, like the normal YouTube videos, if you stay consistent with YouTube Shorts, you will get loads and loads of views. You will also get tons of subscribers, but that doesn't mean that you will be earning a lot of money through it.
Fun fact channels are super popular. Like take Happy Earth, another YouTube channel specializing in similar sorts of YouTube Shorts.
As I have just told you, it's quite saturated and there are a lot of channels doing this, so I'd suggest you try something else.
Social Blade shows us that they got over 26,000 subscribers and over 27 million views. And we can see that in the past 30 days, they've gotten over 20 million fresh views.
Just in a few months, they got tons of millions of views and also a lot of new subscribers, so you can easily get monetized through this, but you will have to stay consistent and providing great content as well.
Check out this YouTube Shorts channel, Top Things World. This simple little video that they've made has had nearly 5 million views.
Still, don't let all of these views impress you. When you try this out, and you will see, when you start posting videos, you won't get as many views. Maybe one video will take off, but not a lot, guys.
Now, admittedly, this channel took a little bit longer to take off. When they first started uploading videos 9 months ago, they got 1 million views in their first month, but their patience was rewarded when in September you can see they got over 11 million views.
I think for me, just at the start, at the beginning, if you get 1 million views in a month, it's a success. So when you're starting out, it will be harder for you to gain views. But as you go along and you start creating more powerful content, you will get more views easily.
And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg for channels that are crushing it using this method. And now these channels have a new way to earn money online. But of course, you might be thinking, okay, Sarah, how much money are they actually making for these 15 million or 20 million views?
Yes, so we mentioned a lot of views. Now let's get to the money part. How much are they actually earning?
Well, I decided to calculate that for you. Earlier today, I hopped onto my YouTube dashboard to see how much money YouTube has been paying me for my YouTube Shorts videos.
Thank you. Now let's get straight to it. How much are these shorts actually earning?
Okay, so I just used my YouTube analytics to estimate this channel's revenue, and using that estimate, this channel is earning over $1,100 per month from their fun, simple little videos, which I think is pretty cool.
What she fails to mention here is that these videos take a lot of time to make. Although they're fun and simple, they still take time to do, and you have to produce a lot of them. to get things going.
Well, so far I have earned 81 cents from ads on those videos, so you do the maths, that is 54 cents per 10,000 views.
54 cents for 10,000 views is barely any amount of money, guys. It's too low. You will get so much more from the YouTube monetization.
Now, I understand that probably seems low, but that's because I make videos with small niche audiences.
When you start, it's better to pick a small niche. I think you will be getting almost the same CPM as her. Not as much, guys.
Since with YouTube Shorts ad CPMs are spread evenly amongst creators, if you make videos which target a broader, bigger audience like Happy Earth, as you will see, the views and money that you can earn can scale up fast.
What she's saying here, and it's very simple, is to get more views. So of course, if you get more views, you will get more money.
Plus, it's just the beginning. YouTube have said in interviews like this one here that they expect CPMs to increase as the year goes on, so this is just the start.
So I agree with her on this. It's only been a few weeks since it rolled out, so I'm thinking as the year goes by, the CPM will increase.
But yes, using the CPM as a start, Happy Earth has had around 21 million views these past 30 days, right? Well, 21 million views divided by 10,000 is 2,100, and 2,100 times 54 cents is $1,100 from these fun, simple little videos that anyone can create, which I think is pretty neat.
To get that $1,100, they had to get 21 million views, which is no joke. Even though on Shorts it's easier to get views, it's still a lot of views to get.
So this all sounds really great, right? We can make a bunch of money off of super simple videos, yeah?
You still have to do research, you still have to do the editing and everything else, so they're not as simple as she makes them out to be.
But there is one catch. There's always a catch, isn't there?
Of course there is a catch. What is it?
And this time, the catch is, to earn money with the YouTube ad program and to be accepted into it, you need to meet some requirements.
At least I agree with this catch. If you go into the YouTube partner program, you will get much more money for less views.
1, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. And 2, you either need to have 1,000 watch hours on standard YouTube length videos, or you need to have gotten 10 million views in 90 days for your YouTube Shorts videos.
So the only thing that changed is now you can get monetized even through YouTube Shorts, but you need to have 10 million views over 90 days, over 3 months.
Until you remember that channels like Happy Earth making super simple image slide videos got over 27 million views in their first.
Again, she's pointing out to channels that are making a lot of views, but that doesn't mean that when we try out our channel, we are going to get the same amount of views. So, even the first channel she showed us, the first month, he made 1 million views. And I guarantee you, if you start doing YouTube Shorts, it will be hard for you to reach those numbers, for everyone. So, unless you post great content, it will be a hard journey for you to earn that amount of money. But anyway, that's been it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to keep updated with all new content to come. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.